Hello again. This video is to go with your new assignment called Map the Middle East. This assignment is going with day 3 and 4 of the social studies list. So that would be about March 18 and 19 if you are following along. On Google Classroom, you probably already saw that there's a new assignment called Map of the Middle East. When I click on that, I'm going to get a screen that looks something like this. Yours might be a little bit different for student version, and yours is going to have this video show up as a resource. You have a few documents here. There is a Google Docs version and a PDF version. The PDF version opens your map questions and your map. One option to complete this assignment is to download the PDF, type on it if you can. Sometimes that means adding little text boxes and putting them on the lines where the answers go, and downloading that to your computer. When you're finished with that, you put it back on Google Classroom and send it to me. That's one option. Your second option, so if I go back to Google Docs, each of you has a copy of this Google Doc. It's going to have your name on it up here, and it has all of the 10 questions that you're going to have with your map. Your map can be answered. This question can be answered typing on this Google Doc. So if I find the capital city along the Tigris River, and I'm looking at the Tigris River, and I find the city is not actually Boston, I can type my answer here. You'll put in all of your answers. They do not need to be complete sentences or restating. Yours, when you are finished, will say turn in instead of share. That is an option for this assignment. A third option for this assignment is to look at the map questions here and write your answers in your social studies notebook or on any notebook paper and save it until you come back to school. If you have any notebook papers that you've collected during your time away from school, I will read them when you come back. So as I am looking at these 10 questions and the introduction, I'll notice that this area is similar to the area we've been talking about before. Okay, you're going to see the Tigris River, the Euphrates River are in here. There is a map key to tell you what the different dots mean. The Mediterranean Sea is here on the west side. The colors on this map. So the white area is the area that you're going to be focusing on the most, right? The Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Persian Gulf, those are all a light shade of gray to show you that they're bodies of water. The dark gray is not water, it is still land, they are still countries. However, they're not the focus area, which is why they're grayed out, so you can kind of still see where those are, but your main concern is going to be the area in white. So as you are working, you're going to use your lines of latitude and longitude for a few of these questions. Latitude lines are horizontal, longitude lines are vertical. Those are labeled down here at the bottom. You have a scale and a compass rose to help you with direction and about how far away some cities or places are. And if you're reading through some of these questions and you want something clarified, just send me an email. I will respond to it as soon as I can. I look forward to seeing some of your work on this, all right?